Hello friends. Welcome back to our channel where we provide valuable information to help you improve your financial situation. In this video, we are going to talk about one of the most important aspects of personal finance, budgeting. Now, I know budgeting may not sound like the most exciting thing in the world, but bear with me. Creating a budget is essential to managing your money effectively, and sticking to it can actually be empowering and liberating. So in this video, we're going to walk you through how to create a budget and provide tips on how to stick to it. Now, first of all, what is a budget? Let's start with the basics. A budget is a plan that helps you manage your money effectively by allocating your income towards expenses, savings, and investments. Think of it like a roadmap for your money. And who doesn't love a good roadmap, right? Let's understand this step by step. Step 1. Determine your income. The first step in creating a budget is to determine your income. This includes any money you earn from your job, freelance work, or investments. You know what they say, money makes the world go round. So, start with figuring out how much money you have to work with. Step 2. List your expenses. This is where things can get a bit tricky, but don't worry, we've got you covered. Be sure to include everything, no matter how small or insignificant it may seem. We're talking about every latte, every bag of chips, every streaming subscription. You name it, it goes on the list. There are many free expense tracking apps available on both iOS and Android platforms. Here are some of the best ones. Mint, Personal Capital, Pocket Guard, Good Budget, Wally. These are just a few examples of the best free expense tracking apps available. Try them out and see which one works best for you. Step 3. Categorize your expenses. Once you've got your expenses listed, it's time to categorize them. This is where things start to get a little more interesting. We'll separate your expenses into two categories: essential and non-essential. Essential expenses are things like rent, utilities, and groceries, the things you absolutely need to survive. And non-essential expenses are things like eating out, shopping, and entertainment, the things that are nice to have, but not absolutely necessary. Step 4. Allocate your income. Now, it's time to allocate your income towards your expenses. This is where you get to play the role of a money manager. And trust us, it's more fun than it sounds. Aim to save at least 10–20% of your income towards your emergency fund, retirement, or other financial goals. Think of it as investing in your future self. Step 5. Track your expenses. Alright, we've made it to the home stretch. Now that you have created your budget, it's time to track your expenses. This is where you get to be a detective, tracking down every penny you spend. You can do this through the help of the expense tracking apps that we mentioned earlier in this video. Keep a record of all your expenses and compare them to your budget regularly. This will help you identify areas where you are overspending and make adjustments to stay on track. Sticking to your budget can be challenging, but with some discipline and planning, it can be done. Here are some tips to help you stay on track. Prioritize your expenses. Focus on essential expenses first. Cook at home. Eating out can be expensive. By cooking at home, you can save money and have greater control over what you eat. Shop smart. Look for deals, use coupons, and compare prices to get the best value for your money. Cut back on subscriptions. Many of us have multiple subscriptions for services we don't use. Consider canceling subscriptions you don't need or use regularly. Use cashback apps. Cashback apps like Rakuten, Ibotta, and Swagbucks offer cashback on purchases you make through their app. This can add up to significant savings over time. Use credit cards wisely. Credit cards can be a great way to earn rewards and cashback, but only if you use them responsibly. Make sure you pay off your balance in full bi-weekly to avoid interest charges. Shop for deals on big-ticket items. When making a big purchase like a car or appliance, shop around for the best deals and negotiate to get the best price. Avoid impulse purchases. Before making a purchase, take some time to think it over. Do you really need it? Can you afford it? Avoid impulse purchases and only buy what you truly need. Creating a budget is essential to managing your money effectively. It helps you track your expenses, identify areas where you are overspending, and make adjustments to meet your financial goals. Remember to prioritize your expenses, track your spending, and review your budget regularly to stay on track. There you go. Smash the like button and hit subscribe if you liked this video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.